Hello friends. Today, in this video, we're going to talk about PromGirl.com. Is this website legit or a scam? So, let's get started. PromGirl.com is an online women's clothing store specializing in dresses for special events like prom. They offer a vast selection, aiming to be a go-to resource for formal wear. If we talk about its Trustpilot reviews and score, PromGirl.com has accumulated an impressive 18,926 reviews, achieving a solid 4.1 out of 5 stars. This high rating, coupled with nearly 19,000 reviews, suggests a largely positive customer experience. Recent feedback from Liz B praises fast shipping and finding the perfect dress, while an M highlights beautiful quality and expedited delivery. Some, like Ray, experienced issues with wrong colors due to final sale policies, but overall, customers like Chelsea Chamilio find the dresses beautiful and gorgeous. If we talk about its contacting details, the company's address is 298 East Main Street, number 714, Middletown, United States. You can reach them at 888-843-7766 or via email at support@promgirl.com. Their official website is www.promgirl.com, https://www.promgirl.com. So that's all in this video. If you like this video, please hit a like button